The app here is SAUCEPAN AI. So another AI app alternative. And then you can just see some AI companions in here. You can just find some kind of role plays which you can explore. Free forever or until we go broke, unlimited messages, completely uncensored. So that's why this app is kind of popular. So for example, if you just tap on it, you then just need to sign up to chat, and then you can just sign in. You can so that's the idea. And then yeah, you can just sign in, and that's then you can just start to chat. There is a community, there are fandoms. There is this, and then there's home. So yeah, kind of alternative to Chai app, and then there is SAUCEPAN Plus. And then you can just see the options.